Hello student, you are welcome in our SSC class. I am Mansi Bharadwaj. I am your SS teacher. Today we will continue our chapter number 17. In chapter number 17, today's our topic is waterways. Waterways are the cheapest and the most suitable means of transport. जो waterways है वो सबसे cheapest और suitable ट्रांसपोर्ट का सोर्स है. कैरिंग हैवी एंड द बल्की गुड्स, और ये बहुत भारी सामानों को ले जाता है. इट इज़ नॉट just fuel efficient but also environment friendly made of the transport. India has a wide network of inland waterways. जो हमारी इंडिया है उसमें inland waterways का बहुत बड़ा नेटवर्क है in the form of the rivers, canals and backwater and the stream. India has a 7,670 kilometer coastline. About the 95% of the Indian foreign trade in the carried through the waterways. There are the two type of waterways. दो प्रकार के waterways होते हैं, inland waterways और sea route waterways. Inland waterways, these included the navigable rivers, lake, canals, etc. The rivers like the Nile, Amazon, Ganga, etc. इस waterways में रिवर्स, लेक और कैनॉल्स इंक्लूडेड हैं. इसमें रिवर में नील रिवर, अमेजन रिवर और गंगा रिवर इंक्लूडेड है. आर ऑल द नेविगेबल रिवर्स एंड बिजीएस्ट इनलैंड वाटरवेज. ये बिजी बहुत ज़्यादा बिजी होता है. आर द ग्रेट लेक बिटवीन द यूएसए एंड द कनाडा. ये यूएसए और कनाडा को जोड़ता है. सी रूट आर द मेजर ट्रेड रूट ऑफ द टुडेज वर्ल्ड. सी रूट जो है हमारे यहाँ वर्ल्ड में बहुत बड़ा ट्रेड है. फॉर द एग्जाम्पल द बिजीएस्ट रूट इन द यूके आर द फॉर ईस्ट जापान एंड द चाइना वी आर द मेडिटेरियन सी. The Suez Canal, Malacca and Strait are the other. One is the North Atlantic route connecting the Western Europe, the USA and the Canada. Air transport is the most recent, developed into the early 20th century and the fastest, but it is the most expensive means of the travel, and this means of the transport required the heavy investment in the purchase of the land, construction of the runways, airport, advanced means of the communication, and modern and the efficient aircraft. Costly fuel, security and the high cleared technical and the Manchurian staff. This is the reason rich nations of the world are able to use air transport most extensively than can be the developed countries of the Asia and the Africa. एशिया और अफ्रीका में ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा है able to use it. Always is the only the mode of the transport to reach the most distant and the remote. ये दूर के डिस्टेंस के लिए काफ़ी अवेलेबल है. ये आर द देयर इज no road and the railway. Helicopters are the extremely useful in the most inaccessible areas in the time of the calamity के टाइम में ये बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है. For the rescuing people and the distributing food and the medicine, it is the idea of the transporting perishable goods through the sky is limitless. The aircraft have to follow the particular route. All the nation permit the air flight only through the flexible corridor. Major cities of the world connected by the air route, and most of the airways are managed by the private operation. There is a two type of the air service. Air service भी two type की होती है, एक domestic and international. Important international airport are the New York, London and the New Delhi, Mumbai, Paris and the Frankfurt, Singapore. Moscow, Karachi, and Rome. It's enough for today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much.